Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila, and today I've got a plan for this video. It is actually to have a look at my nail varnish collection. I've got plenty here, maybe hundreds if so. I've got yellow color, I've got golden color, got coral. In fact, this is coral reef it's called. This one is probably 24 karat gold, so that's spot on. Rubber duck. Oh I love red. This is Peel Box Red 15. I think it's fantastic. Sometimes I don't even know which color to actually use. This is Wicked and it's like green. It's fantastic. This is black, Midnight Black. Wow. Even if I do paint my nails with each of these to have different color on every nail, probably would still be too less to try out a lot of these. This is purple, dusty violet. Wow. This is pink diamond. I've got a diamond tattoo, so pink diamond would look quite nicely together with my signature tattoo diamond. White. It's winter white. That's funny. Orange. Let's see. Blaze. This is interesting. Vintage pink. Wow. I've got two different ones called Gel Squad. Gel Effect. This is Raven, dark blue. Midnight Black. This is Latte. This is another one. It's Silver Treasure. Pearlescent. It's got different colors, but very sparkly, very gentle, very shiny. It looks fantastic on nails. So what kind of nail varnish would you advise me to use in my next couple of videos? Maybe red. I love red. Red is in fact my favorite color. Maybe coral. Maybe purple. It's all up to you, so please write down in the comment. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and stay tuned to see how I wear these nail varnishes in my next couple of videos. So stay tuned and watch me playing around with different colors. Stunning. This is beautiful. This is latte. Neutral color. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Love you.